Hello everyone, welcome to the first and official video of Tech and Startups. So in this video, I'm going to show you a program that I made called Python CANSLIM. It's a command line interface program you can use to analyze and visualize stocks. And please ignore the bad lighting, I'm still a college student. Oh, and this is an open source project. So I will put a link to the GitHub repo in the description. Let's start, but ignore my dorm room. Let's go to my GitHub repo, okay? Then scroll down to instructions. It has detailed instruction on how to get ready. So first, clone this GitHub repo. I'm gonna open it in VS Code. Awesome. So now let's check the next instructions. I'm going to use pip install r requirements.txt. So go to VS Code, open up the terminal here. So what this command do is it will install the necessary dependencies or libraries from the requirements.txt file. Let's do it. So to use the CANSLIM, I'm going to use this command, python CANSLIM.main.py, analyze and the stock tickers that you want to analyze. But first, let's just use python CANSLIM/main.py, see what commands are available. So as you can see, there's one available command, which is analyze. Therefore, I should use analyze to replace it with this command right here. So I'm going to press Q. So now I'm going to type analyze. So if you just type analyze, it won't work. You need to add the stock tickers behind it, separated by blank space. So let's see, I'm going to use Amazon, and it doesn't matter if you type the stock tickers lowercase or uppercase. I'm going to say Amazon, Apple, or Microsoft. So after running through the program, you can see the program returns the data of these tickers and analyze it with the CANSLIM criteria. So based on the CANSLIM criteria, there are no good stocks. So let's run the same command again and try to use other stocks. So as you can see, the program returns one good stock, which is ELA. And if it's a good stock, the program will display a chart for you with the quarterly EPS comparison, earnings per share. You can save it or quit the chart. And this is the annual chart. Then the program will ask, do you want to save the data from here as a CSV file? You can say yes or no. So if I say yes, you can see the CSV file right here. And you can open it with Excel to do extra analytics. So that's all for the CANSLIM program. But inside this GitHub repo, there's also another program called Pyramid Profit Calculator. So what is it? Check out Investopedia. They have very good explanation on how to use the pyramid method to add more to your stock positions and maximize your profits. So for who doesn't know what is CANSLIM, check out Investopedia also. They have very good resources on the CANSLIM method and very good definitions as well. That's the end of the video. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoy the content, please like, share, and subscribe. So I will put more videos and tech products like this. Thank you for watching. See you next time.